Good day, everyone. Today, I'm here to tell you what is muster station, then procedures, different types of emergencies, and importance of training and drills. First is, what is a muster station? On a ship, a muster station is where passengers go in case of an emergency. You meet there and receive instructions. Then, procedures in different types of emergency. Go to the muster station in response to the fire alarm. Do as instructed by a person in charge. If, if, if it is safe, try stopping a little fire. General alarm. Go over to the muster station, stay calm, and wait instructions. Put on your life jacket in case of abandoned ship. Alarm. Make your way to the lifeboat area. Safety board and the lifeboat by following the officer. Man overboard signal. Notify the crew if someone falls in the water. Throw a life buoy to help and follow the officer's instructions to rescue them. CO2 alarm. Quick leave the area. Head to the master station and avoid areas where CO2 gas is present. Engineer's call. Engineers go to the engine room to fix the issue. Then, cargo hold flooding. Before the flooding, close the doors to stop the water and use pump to remove water. Pollution prevention. Stop the leak or spill, inform the officer and clean it up to protect the sea. Engine room flooding. Tell the officer or chief engineer close the door and use pumps to remove the water. Um, Importance of training and drills. Training and drills help everyone knows what to do on emergencies. Practice make people ready, calm, and safe, and it saves lives. And that's all. Thank you for watching.